Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PZRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Just an absolutely monster day here to think that, last week it was down here, and now it's moved all the way up there and closed. A good solid day. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above $2.50, that would by far make the chart look, the best case scenario. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below $2.50 that everything's ruined or anything like that. That would just be that ideal situation. Next level of support after that, keep an eye on, let's see, what is that? $2.10. So $2.50, $2.10, two near-term levels of support. But from the bigger picture perspective, it's all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. I bring that up because, yes, I realize right now it's totally irrelevant. That level's way down there. The price closed way up there. But like I said, moving average. So as time goes by, that level or that line is going to move and get more and more relevant as time goes by. So keep an eye on those 3 levels of support. What about areas of resistance? If this upward move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance, just simply where the price was struggling today on multiple occasions. I'm going to call that right up there at about $3.30, give or take a few pennies. But point being, you can see a little clump of price action right up at those highs. So $3.30 going to be that initial area of resistance. If the price can push through that, let's map out one more area of potential battleground. What I've done there is I changed to the daily time frame just so we don't have to scrunch up the chart as much and make it a little bit easier to see. Always a good problem to have, though, when you have to go to a daily time frame to go find next potential areas of resistance. And the next key level up there at $3.60, which is from way back there in August. You can see right there the price got rejected from it there. So again, this time frame is showing the daily, meaning this represents the day as a whole, and you can see just absolutely gigantic volume compared to what it's had. So the rest of the week should be pretty interesting, and it'll be very. I'm excited to see if the bulls can build upon this, or if this is just kind of a one-day type pop. We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.